Welcome back to Wholesome FPV. The frame has finally cured. It's been like 20 hours. So it's got 2 layers of resin, and we're preparing this now for all the mounting holes so that we can put all our electronics in. And it actually looks really cool.
Yeah, it came out really nice. I was really surprised at how well that stuff flowed on there.
Yeah, it's got like a really nice smooth surface. So smooth and really perfect.
Yeah, it came out really good.
So the battery holder, turns out, fits really nicely. Eliminated the need for any kind of battery strap.
Yeah, this definitely is not going to need a battery strap.
And that's just perfectly
pressure fit.
We're gonna put some holes in this thing. We're gonna drill the motor mounts. We're gonna mount the camera. We're gonna get the ESC going. We have some old motors that have been chopped up and turned into drill guides. And we're gonna show you some other tricks to drilling, like very delicate, fine, small holes. So the tool we're gonna use to get this started is a pin vise. And a pin vise is basically a tool that lets you hold a drill in your hand, so you have a lot of control.
It's all the way through the first layer of resin, so...
Oh wow, you can see the cardboard inside. And this cardboard resin composite actually machines very easily.
And out there.
That looks very good to me. So it's funny, these motors don't actually have a symmetrical pattern. They have a one side wider than the other. So you always gotta line up each individual motor and make sure that they're all like lined up correctly. Yeah, this is the stator of an old motor that died. Emax motor. You can see the cut lines. And now we can just clamp this right onto our arms and use this to transfer the holes onto the frame.
Protect it a little bit.
There is a lovely little clamp of just the right height. Get the holes marked out.
Okay.
Awesome. Next time on the Cardboard Quad Build series, I'm going to show you guys the fundamentals of soldering and wire prep. So if you've never done electronics for a quadcopter before, the next video is going to be an excellent overview as to some of the steps involved. I'm really excited to show you how to do electronics, so make sure to subscribe to Wholesome Circuits, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks.